This is Marcy. Someone named Marcy.
Hi, Marcy.
Must be eBay crap.
Right.
No more test stuff. I don't know, it's got a label over here too. And that cuts better on tape. Ooh, look at that. There's a lot of good stuff there. What is it?
That looks like a brake pad.
I know, it looks like a brake shoe, doesn't it?
Yeah, that's a shoe pad. Looks like a
some
skinny
kind of
one.
bracket. Oh, that's a top motor mount.
Well,
See, it doesn't look like there's anything in that bag, but there actually is something in there. Always check all your trash to make sure there's nothing important in there. Because those little Harley parts only that big, it costs hundreds of dollars, so you gotta be careful. This is probably a shift lever. That'll be a genuine shift lever. And now you know tell if it's genuine or aftermarket?
how's that?
See the bends. What do you think?
Huh.
Did it bend?
No.
Must be a Harley.
Alright.
So now instead of being a $10 part, it's a $100 part.
Wow.
But see, it's chrome plated, so you never know when you're buying crap on eBay.
Right.
And you gotta look how much wear is up in here. So you get this from the tank gauge shifter.
Yeah.
In case you know this is a hand shift lever.
It is. Yes.
Knob's missing. It has an extra hole put in it. It's chrome plated. I hate chrome, but it looks like it is a genuine Harley part, so I do like that part.
Alright.
So now I can put this on some junk panhead bike. We didn't have any of those floating around, did we?
Yeah. I don't know about junk panhead bikes, but
Well, we take off that crappy aftermarket lever and put this one on there.
yes.
Increase the value. Remember I told you how you make a $10,000 bike into a $30,000 bike?
Yeah.
How do you do that?
Put genuine Harley parts on it.
Put more Harley parts on it. Because every time you add one of these on there, what happens?
Price goes up.
Value goes up. Because that's the only difference. Because it works either way. But this will last for another 50 years to wear, whereas the other one will probably wear out in about 5-10 years. So, nice part. What's that fit anyway?
That, I'm going to say, it's not bowed out much, so I'm going to say something smaller.
It fits a curved fat bob tank.
Yeah, but it's a smaller fat bob tank.
So that means it has to fit 36 and up. You know,
Yeah.
36 on back.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
The VL tanks are more flat.
Right.
So it doesn't fit that one. So this means it fits a knucklehead, flathead, 45, UL, and stuff like that. Panhead, you know, late model stuff like that. Panheads. And
Late model.
in a couple years of shovelhead. Maybe 1 year to shovelhead. Before they came out that dorky frame mounted shift lever, which is like 67 or 8, I think they did that stupid thing. So this fits up to that point. So probably the first year shovel actually had a shift lever that mattered, and after that they went to crap. So basically it's a knuckle panhead and flathead torque. Boom, boom, boom. Power shift the piss out of them. So good part.
All right.
What's this one? I don't know. Something else. Alright. Cut that. Be back.